Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we will examine what is meant by the term main home. Generally, the main home is defined as the residence where a taxpayer lives most of the time. A main home can be a house, mobile home, cooperative apartment, condominium, even a houseboat. In most cases, a taxpayer must have owned and lived in the property as his or her main home for at least 2 years during the 5-year period ending on the date of the sale of the home in order to exclude gain from the sale of the home. If a taxpayer has more than one home, he or she can exclude gain only from the sale of the main home. Any gain from the sale of another home must be included in income. In addition to the amount of time an individual spends living in each home, the following factors are relevant in determining which is the main home: the individual's place of employment, the location of the individual's family member's main home, the address on the individual's bills and correspondence, the address listed on the individual's federal or state tax return, driver's license, car registration, or voter registration, the location of banks the individual uses, and the location of recreational clubs and religious organizations of which the individual is a member. If an individual sells vacant land, the sale is not considered a sale of his or her main home unless 4 requirements are met. First, the vacant land must be adjacent to the land containing the main home. Second, the individual must have owned and used the vacant land as part of the main home. Third, the separate sale of the main home must satisfy the requirements for exclusion and occur within 2 years before or 2 years after the date of the sale of the vacant land. And fourth, the other requirements for excluding gain from the sale of a main home must have been satisfied with regard to the vacant land. If all of these requirements are met, the sale of the home and the sale of the vacant land are treated as one sale, and only one maximum exclusion can be applied to any gain.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.